All right, on this video, I'm going to show you how to use WebSocket, Cloudflare Websocket on Chizzytribe VPN. Cloudflare Websocket is one of the easiest way to get free internet on different networks and countries. Okay, so if you are already into free internet, if you're already know how to tweak, I'm going to show you how to use the WebSocket servers, the Cloudflare WebSocket servers on Chizzytribe VPN. All right, as you can see, all the servers here, they support both WebSocket, UDP, TCP, HUDP, DNS, V2A, Trojan, and many other protocols. So you can select any server here. So first select any server, then on the tool section, okay, you want to use your own payload. Okay, so you should tick the custom settings. Okay, you can then click on the and then then click on custom settings and set it like this. Then you can go here and click on the custom. Then as you can see, this is SSH and WebSocket. Okay, this is SSH and WebSocket SSL. So this is WebSocket SSH. All right, so using port 80. So here's how you configure it. This is the payload. So if you don't need to touch this place, you don't need to touch here. If you can actually copy out this payload and save it somewhere. We will probably drop the payload on our Telegram channel in case you forget, or in case you use another configure here. For example, I can cut this out and put a different payload here. Okay, and later I can now paste it back, but this is the default WebSocket payload for Chizzytribe VPN. So now here's where you input your host. Let's assume you have a free internet host, a host that opens a website that opens free on your network without any active bundle. Okay, that is what you call host. Okay, so and if the host is Cloudflare supported, now I know newbies will not understand what I mean by Cloudflare supported, but on our software videos, I will be making more videos explaining how this free internet protocol works, including how to know if your host is Cloudflare supported or not, if your host is Cloudflare supported or not, if your host is SSL or TCP or all these protocols. So I'm going to make new videos on that. So stick to this channel. So now let's use this host. This host is Cloudflare supported. Okay, app.sololen.com. Okay, then input the port. The port is 80. We have other ports, but this is default port for now. When we introduce other ports on Chizzytribe, like 2082 ports, we'll let you know. So this is how we set it now, and make sure this inbuilt user and password is ticked, so that you can actually use the inbuilt servers on Chizzytribe without using your own servers. Okay, you can only untick it if you have your own server that you want to use. So let's save this now. Okay, and connect. Remember, you can select any server here. All of them supports WebSocket, Cloudflare. Okay, let's select. Okay, let's select the USA server and connect now. Okay, should be connecting now. Why is it not connecting? You should always check your log to know what is happening. If the tweak is not connecting, you check and know why it's not connecting, and the error code that is right. So now I think this is network. So let's untick it. I hope everything was set well.
All right. Woo, we have come a long way, haven't we? We are near the end.
Okay, let's go to custom settings. Everything was set well. Okay, the payload. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's check another server. Let's move from server. Try it again. You can see. Alright, as you can see, it's connected now. If you check the log, you see that it is WebSocket. Okay, as you can see, it's connected now and it's very fast. Okay. Okay, as you can see, so this is for WebSocket SSH. Now let me show you how to use WebSocket SSL, that is using the port 40443. Okay, yes, okay, this is, so first you need to disconnect this now. Go back. Okay, let's disconnect this now. Then go back to the custom settings. and set it up again. Okay. Okay, now here you should tick the WSSL, that means WebSocket SSL. As you can see, they are using the same payload. Now, the only difference here is that the SN here on the SNI host, she input, see what I'm doing here, then input WebSocket WS and close it. Okay, make sure there's no spaces here. And on the port, type 443. Okay, and here now type 443 because this is SSL. SSL is always 443. Okay, and save it. All right, let's save it now and try connecting. As you can see, it's connecting and it's connected. If you check the log, you see that it is SSL. As you can see, SSL connections always starts with handshake. Any connection that you see that shows handshake complete means that it's SSL, it is encrypted. You can see when we connected SSH, there's no handshake, but here you can see there's handshake. So this is connected, and as you can see, the speed is quite fast. So this is how to use WebSocket SSH and SSL, Cloudflare Websocket SSH and SSL on Chizzytribe VPN. You can export this configure if you want. If this is an unlimited or cheap internet host, you can export it and share it with people. You can export and write maybe 500 MB daily, depending on by your name, maybe by your name, by let's use Cheesy. All right, then export. You can set expiry date. You can add a note. Okay, you can add any note. All right, you can lock it to hardware ID. If you want to share it with a particular person, just ask the person to copy his or her Chizzytribe hardware ID and send to you. Okay, so this is it. Then you can finally export it. Okay, this is 500 MB. Okay, depending on what you want to write there. If you don't want to write any note, you can leave it. Then export. Okay, export it and save it. As you can see, it is saved. So this is how to use Cloudflare WebSocket, SSH, and SSL on Chizzytribe VPN using custom settings. All right. Thank you.